Hi everybody and welcome back to Graybeard Overland. Today I'm going to do an update of a review I did a couple of months ago on the Autowit Batteryless car jump starter. And this thing's fantastic, works exactly as it's supposed to. I'm going to show you that, so hang tight. Like I told you in the initial review, this is not a company that I'm sponsored by. I did not get any compensation for this. I bought this out of my own money, out of my own pocket. And again, it's the Autowit Batteryless car jump starter. Okay. And again, made by Autowit. It's available on Amazon. And this thing is fantastic. It charges up quickly. What I'm going to show you is actually used it on a Subaru. I mean, thankfully it's not something I need to use on my Jeep on a regular basis, but I wanted to know that it's there if I needed it. And so anyhow, this Subaru dead battery wouldn't even click over, and put it on, had the flashing red light, meaning the voltage was really low. It charged up quickly, hit the start button, went around, started the car, started right up. So it's fantastic, significantly safer than jumper cables, and the nice thing is you don't need another vehicle around to make it happen. So hang tight, it's a quick video, but and I'm also going to show you how quickly it charges via USB as well. Okay, so we're going to test the Autowit dead battery. Voltage is low. So it's charging. Let's see. As you can see, it's charging rapidly. We're up to 9 volts already. This happens to be in a Subaru. And there we go, we've got the green light. See, green light came on for start. So now we should be able to start the vehicle. So we push start. And we should be able to start it here. Voila! So as you can see, that charged up really fast off of the car battery. Now, what I'm going to show you next is how long it takes to charge from a USB source. You can also plug it into a cigarette lighter and charge it that way, which is intermediate between the two. But it actually charges rather quickly, and again, it does a phenomenal job. So it's something I do recommend. It makes you certainly more independent and safer out there, that if you happen to be someplace, better to have this and be stranded if you end up with a dead battery. So here you can see the unit. It's ready to set up to charge, and we can simply plug in a USB port right here. So we plug that in, and then here's the other end of it. and I'm going to plug this in to a portable battery bank that I have. You can see it's 86% charged, puts out 5.1 volts. You plug that in, shows that it's doing its thing. So we push on, off, override. The light's flashing, and we can see right now the time is 7:45, and I'll be back with you when it's fully charged. As you can see, we're nearly a quarter of a way there. This method is significantly slower than charging from the dead car battery, but if the car battery were drained completely dead and you happen to have a USB charging port, this is an alternative method. So the battery bank's still at 86%, and you can see the numbers right down here are going up very slowly. We're at 3.27 volts in the capacitors. It gets up over 13 volts, and we'll be good to go and could jump start another vehicle. So I'll be back and let you know how long it actually took. As you can see, it's now 7:15, well, about 17 after, and what I did was I unplugged this little charger, which is fantastic for charging up your cell phone or what have you. I've used it to charge other like camera batteries, things like that, but it just wasn't putting out enough juice to move this along. So I've got it plugged into an actual cell phone charging block right now, which as you can see, it's going a little quicker. We're at 8.9 volts now. So obviously a charging block like this would work, but it's going to take a long time. So I'll be back with you here, I would imagine, rather shortly, and let you know what the total elapsed time was. Well, there we are at 9:45. So it took, with the slow charge again from the battery pack, it took a lot longer than it should have, but again, it would be an alternative if you were stuck someplace. But if you hook it up to a power block that plugs into the wall, it charges significantly faster. As you can see with the green light on now, it's fully charged. This would start the car. So not my first recommendation of ways to charge the thing up. Charging it from the car battery itself obviously works a lot faster. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. I appreciate your support. If you get a chance, click the icon that's going to pop up here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Ring the little bell, get notifications when I post new videos. That certainly helps a ton. And until the next time, make all of your adventures safe ones. All right? Batteryless, geez Louise, battery, duh.